Laura here with Laura's Crafty Life. Today we're going to talk about how to use the Weld tool in Cricut Design Space. The Weld tool is available in the Layers panel and can be used to join different shapes together to create a single image. You can also use it to join letters or text together to create one cohesive word. So to start with, we're going to add some shapes to our design canvas. I'm just going to add a couple of hearts here, and then partly so you can see what we're doing here, I'm going to change the color on them. So let's say I wanted to create a border for a Valentine's Day project, but I wanted all the hearts connected together. To do this, we start by selecting all of the hearts. So you can do this either by dragging your mouse over all of the images, or you can click on Select All at the top. Once all of your images or shapes are selected, then simply click the Weld tool in the Layers panel. Once your design has been welded together, it will say Weld Result here in the Layers panel, and you'll see that all of your design is one color now because it's going to be cut out as one design. So now you can use this shape like any other design you would use in Cricut Design Space. You can also use the Weld tool to connect letters of text together. This is especially helpful when you're using script fonts and you want to cut out a single word rather than the individual letters. So we'll start by adding a text box. I'm just going to type in my name, and then we're going to change the font to a script font. So I'm going to use this quirky script font. And you'll see that all the letters are separated, even though they look like they should be connected as a cursive word. So whenever I'm working with letters like this, I like to make my canvas bigger. And then we're just going to connect the letters together by using this letter space tool up at the top. So we're just going to decrease it until the letters look like they are connected together how we want them. So that looks pretty good. And then when we're done with that, then we're going to click Weld. So instead of cutting out each individual letter, it will cut out this design as one single word. So sometimes what can happen when you're using the Weld tool with letters and text is that when you click Weld, you'll see that it fills in your letter shape. To avoid this, you have two options. So you can increase the letter spacing and spread them out, or you can go under Advanced and Ungroup to Letters and individually move the letters and then try to weld it again until you don't have that problem anymore. But typically it's caused by the letters being too close together before you weld. I hope this clears up how and when you will use the Weld tool in Cricut Design Space. So please check back and subscribe to my channel for more Cricut Design Space Basics tutorials each week.